Hi and welcome to Java NetBeans of Train ticketing system. This ticketing system was developed some years ago, and I just feel I should show it to those of you guys who are my new subscribers. So let me show you guys how this works. Here I have option box for standard, economy and first. The same thing here, single, return, adult or child. So if I select, let's say it's a return and it's an adult, let's assume this destination is to Queen's Park. There, all we just need to do is to click on total, and there we go. See the cost, tax and so on, and the total, everything is displayed right here. So if you notice, the total cost also include the VAT that is officially embedded inside the system itself. And right here you have your tickets. The only thing missing here is the print button, which you guys will actually see on some other of my tutorial on how to print. You can also reset and enter new customers details. Let's assume they're going to Oxford and it's single. Just click on that and there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter this URL on the description area so that you guys can gain access to the full program and have a look at it. You can even use it as your dissertation or anything and just modify it. So with that guys, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.